Hey, Scott Lara 1961 on Twitter, Scott Lara 1961 on Instagram, thecruisegenius.com. I only got about 6% battery left here on my iPhone Pro Max 256, so we're going to make this quick. Here I am. Now I'm on the TRS side. One of my fans said, hey, Scott, can you get some video of TRS? And, you know, what's my motto? You say it, I play it. So that's what I'm going to do. And you have to remember that on the Grand Palladium side, you have Kentanaw, you have Colonial and White Sand. I've stayed at Colonial and White Sand in the past. This time I'm staying at White Sand, and I have stayed at TRS. And of course, here are the different vehicles here that'll take you around. So here, again, pardon my sandals, I'm sorry. So anyway, it's just, sometimes I guess I just run out of words. TRS is the adults only venue, adults only area. So you're not going to have, you know, kids. It's going to be more romantic, more couples, more private, more, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be a different experience if you come to TRS. And I've said it many times that when Reed and Cole, my two grandsons, get a little bit older, I'll put my son-in-law and my daughter here at TRS, and then myself and Marty and the grandkids will be over at Grand Palladium, maybe even at the family selection side, like a Costa Mujeres. Hey, Karen. So anyway, TRS, hashtag honoring your freedom. And the one nice thing here, you got the lobby bar on this side. You got the piano. Sometimes you'll have someone playing a piano there. And I think over here, there are a couple restaurants, if I remember correctly. I want to say La Boheme. And I forget what the other one is. I had dinner here the other night, I forget. Oh. La Boheme and one other one. What was it? Tetrazini or something? Was that what it was? Yeah, I think that's what it was. Hey, look at this. This is something else I want to talk about. The chef's table, the chef's table. Now look at this. Now I experienced the chef's table at Puerto Vallarta. Exclusive wine pairing, Mexican gourmet, created by executive, full 8-course dinner, wine pairing, the mixology. I will tell you, the chef's table is really, 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 really good. Really good. So just look at my YouTube video. I don't know if it was just pictures. I might have just taken pictures, but the chef's table is definitely a great experience. I highly recommend it. I also recommend, I don't know exactly what they call it, but the breakfast on a boat. That's what I call it. And I was used as a prop at TRS Turquesa by Diego. Senor Lara, yeah, Diego, what's up, buddy? Can you be a model? It's like I'd love to be a model. Problem was my arms are all brown and my chest is kind of white. So I was a model. Like 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm down there at the pool and he goes, don't look, don't look, don't look. And next thing you know, this little canoe boat comes out and they had a breakfast thing on it. It was really cool. Really, really cool. And so I did that. And that was also at TRS Turquesa when I was a model on the balcony of that signature suite. Hey! All right. All right. So anyway, and here's where you're checking in. The people are very kind. Hey, show me this thing you use for the passports. That's the thing for the passport, right?
Yes, this is a UV sanitizer that also you can use it to bring you the pen.
Right.
And we can do also for the phone.
Right. So it's to sanitize. That's great.
Okay.
Cool. So again, they're really taking care of you from a COVID standpoint to sanitize everything. All right, so this is the lobby area, which is really nice. Now that's Chic Cabaret over there, and it's closed now, but I've been to Chic many times, and what a great experience. Great sitting area here. And then when Chic is closed, sometimes they have events right there on that stage where people are singing and dancing and so forth. Over to my left is this area that I keep Marty out of, the jewelry area. Tiffany. You know, it has all this fine jewelry. You know, unfortunately, Marty doesn't care about fine jewelry. She prefers the simple things in life, you know, and so that's good. And got a tourist desk here. Excuse me, a tourist desk. Excursion desk. Just had lunch at Helios a little while ago. So let's take a walk. TRS, I've said it, and this is not a good analogy. It's the Ritz-Carlton on steroids, is what I say, because I've been to the Ritz many times. This is Capriccio, they're closed. But the thing is that with TRS, it's just it's a great experience. Once you go to TRS, I mean, you're going to love it. Now, Grand Palladium is equally as impressive, but TRS, it's just that extra touch. You have a butler, and you know, I mean, you look at TRS Coral, you got the swim ups, right? And then you have Grand Palladium. Now, you got Grand Palladium too, but it's equally as good. So here's the river. You got the little romance bungalow things. I don't know if the boat is running. I got to ask about that. I'm going to have to ask about that. Now, there are people here today, but again, I'm going to respect their privacy, because when you're on vacation, you don't want people getting video of you and pictures. But I've had a nice day today, but it's been a little bit of a slower pace today for me. Scam likely on my phone. Don't you hate those scam calls? Most of them are the darn car extension warranty things. So here we are for lunch at, I think, La Delia, if I'm not mistaken. We'll take a look. Hey, was I right or was I right? I ate lunch at Helios. But you want to look in here real quick? Let's see. I don't want to. There are a lot of people in here, guys, and I'm not going to get shots of them. Let's come in here. Keep my camera kind of. Here, all right. So here you go, La Delia. And listen, I want to thank everybody who's been reaching out to me, both online and privately, saying thank you for bringing the videos and everything to them. Some people can't travel because, like the UK and so forth, can't travel. Let me go up and over. Come down this way. We got some pizza over here. We got some stuff over here. Oh, broccoli. Marty's gonna want me to have broccoli. Got some cheese. Hey, how you doing, my friends? Good to see you. All right, go up here. All right, come over here. What do we have here? Okay. Ooh, look at this. Got some cookies over here. I'm going to grab one of these on the way out. Should I grab a cookie or an apple? What do you think? We got some bread over here, some pan. All right. We got the area over here. Ouch. I've hit my leg a couple times today. You doing good, my friend?
Yes, Mr. Lara, how are you?
I am doing great. El Gaucho tonight. Yeah, I tell you. I tell you. All right, here's a quick shot. Thank you. Quick shot. Oh, gracias. Look at that. Thank you, my friend. I'll see you later, okay? Thank you, my friend. Okay, now I'm deploying, put my mask down, eat this cookie. Quick run in there. And the Wi-Fi is doing pretty good, huh? Now my location at White Sand 56 is really very close to this. I tell you. For the travel club people, and for the people who've been here before, they know. Listen, here's the deal. I'll talk to you cruisers, my fellow cruisers, for a second. It's like the first time you go on a cruise, right? First time you go on a cruise, man, it is like the best, right? Unpack only once. You're out to sea. Different port every day. It's great. Then you come here, it's like, oh my gosh, this is pretty cool. A lot of social distancing, a lot of swimming pools. Come over here for a second. Got some people walking by, so I'm trying to respect them. La Laguna. La Laguna. Is the pool crowd at White Sands? Karen, because it's you, I'm going to break one of my rules. I'll get a quick shot. Karen, I wouldn't do this for anybody but you. Is it crowded? I'm going to get a quick shot. I see about 15 people here. Okay. Some kids right there. So it is not crowded. It is not crowded, Karen. About 15, 20 people here. This cookie is good. Get the chocolate cookie. People over here. Again, believe me, it is not crowded. Now, that's good because you're still going to get great service. You're still going to have a great time. You're going to be able to social distance. They still have excursions. And I'd say the one thing I really don't understand is when people say, and even my own daughter Brittany said this, it looks dead. There's nobody there. Well, what's the alternative? That a few more people are here, or the other alternative is going to be it's like packed. And I said this when I was in Jamaica. Can I come down this way? Yes, I can. Let me stop here a minute. Switching hands. All right, so here's the deal. Say, for example, this place was packed. I was telling you a story about Jamaica. I went to the coffee shop in Jamaica, Lulu's or Miss Lou's. Nobody in there. I got a cup of coffee like within a minute or two. And the CFO came in. Oh, and he recognized me. Hey, Senor Lara, hey. He goes, when the place is packed, it takes you 30 minutes to get a cup of coffee. So it's your choice. What I recommend you do is do what I do. Come now. You're still going to get great service. Still going to have luxury accommodations. You just have to be understanding because of COVID that the restaurants are going to be open some nights and closed some nights. And you just got to roll with the punches, roll with the changes on that. Hey, we can't go to Portofino tonight. Well, we can go to Agocha tonight. We'll go to Portofino Wednesday. Okay. So it's going to be fine. I highly recommend. It doesn't matter which resort. Palladium, Jamaica, Puerto Vallarta, Costa Mujeres, Riviera Maya, Turquesa, Punta Cana. Doesn't matter. Whatever one you go to, you can have a great experience. And you know how I know that? As I'm eating my chocolate cookie. Hey Tanya, you know how I know that? It's because I've experienced each one of them. That chocolate cookie's good. I'm gonna go back and get 2 more. I think they're only about 30% occupancy at TRS and around 25% or so at Grand Palladium here. So yes, I mean it is less than, but again, any day of the week. I mean, it'd be kind of like on a cruise, right? How many cruises have you been on, or I've been on? Full. I've been on a lot of cruises, especially out of Jacksonville, that sail full. 2,500, 3,000 people. Just wait in line for a guy's burger. And wait for an elevator. Man. So, anyway. The thing is, I don't know, I won't pull the chair here. The thing is, we are so fortunate, blessed in the United States. We really are. And I did a video on gratitude this morning. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch it if you want to. But I just want to talk about being grateful. And I am very grateful. I'm grateful for my wife, for my kids, for my grandkids, for my friends. I'm grateful for my health. And I'm really happy about Palladium Hotel Group. They do a great job. Great people. Really, really, really nice people. Wherever you go. All right. Scott Lara. Scott Lara 1961 on Twitter. Scott Lara 1961 on Instagram. I'm going to try to answer some more of the questions I've been asked about what's open, what's not open. Just to say, like, the archery and the sports areas are not open. The people at Palladium, they're doing fewer things. But again, hey, Juliet, my friend. I'm at Grand Palladium, Riviera Maya. It's Playa del Carmen, just south of Cancun. I've been here many times. There's also a resort about an hour and a half north called Grand Palladium, Costa Mujeres. And the thing is that you have a family side and an adult side. So if you just have like adults, like, you know, the girls or the husband and wife or whatever, that's called TRS, and that stands for the Royal Suites. And if you're in the Royal Suites, oh, you're gonna be Playa. All right, you go to Playa. That's nice. They're nice too. But if you ever get a chance to go again, please reach out to me, because I haven't been to Playa yet. I'm sure they're great. But I've experienced the Palladium Hotel Group, and they are really great. So anyway, let me bounce here. Hope you all have a great day. Scott Lara 1961 on Twitter, Scott Lara 1961 on Instagram. TheCruiseGenius.com from Grand Palladium, Riviera Maya, and TRS Yucatan.